So Miss Agat, how does it feel po to be reunited with your mga co-actors ko sa One True Love?
Oo nga, si Alden. Sino pa ba? Si
Raymond.
Raymond. Oo. Okay naman, exciting kasi si Alden nung time ng One True Love parang nag-uumpisa pa lang siya talagang magseryoso sa ano, diba? Tapos ngayon, he's really very excited to do this. Medyo ano siya, medyo kabado siya. Pero ano, I'm sure ano yun, good kabado. Yung parang talagang papakita niya na ano siya, worthy of a leading man ni Marian Rivera.
And with Marian ba, how does it feel to work with
Ayun,
Marian?
actually, one of the reasons why in-accept ko to is because I really want to work with Yana. Nung una, she really felt, parang she made me feel comfortable talaga. Kasi sabi niya, gusto ko nakatrabaho, talagang I asked for you, ganyan. So, syempre, para namang na-feel important ako. Tapos, nung first day ko, na kasi hindi pa siya kasama sa mga hindi pa siya nag-taping. Nag-taping na siya kahapon. Pero nung first few days, nung first day namin, nag-text pa siya na parang happy first day ate, ganyan. See you soon. Ang cute nakakatuwa. Tapos nagfa-followan niya ako sa Instagram. So, talagang meron pa siyang pauwing chuva from yung trabaho niya. So talagang naramdaman ko na this is going to be a good relationship. Apart from working relationship, hopefully meron kaming personal relationship na mabubuo from doing Carmela.
And then yung role niyo po as Amanda, how different is this from the other roles you portrayed?
Maganda yung role kasi sa umpisa maayos. Ang ano lang niya is to feel loved and sana hindi siya unlucky kasi may parang ganung feeling si Amanda na isumpa siya na hindi siya na na malas siya, na ganun sa buhay, ganyan. And then for a while, parang na-uplift siya. Then she had Carmela, tapos nasira ulit, yung parang ganun. So parang na-pass on naiwan yung malas sa kanya, tapos na-pass on yung luck ni Carmela. Parang ganon. So, maganda yung development ng character na parang merong highs and lows yung ganon. Tapos, maganda yung treatment ni Derek mas naramdaman ko kasi madetalye siya So, without even, kunyari, saying it out loud or para saying your lines, mararamdaman ng audience just by the details and kung ano yung how the exam is all about, what the characters mean. So, yun ang pinagkaiba. It's not your usual ito yung nangyayari. Ito yung ganun. Marami siyang parang lanting.
And nag-start na po kayo ng taping, di ba? So ano pa yung preparations basically for the role?
Kasi yun nga, may kamalasang nangyari kay Amanda So first time akong may rape factor doon. So, yun. Tapos, ulong, ganun na akswahan, yung ganyan. So, medyo malalim din yung prepare for the role. It's not easy. Especially sa first week kasi doon talaga sina-establish kung saan nanggagaling yung pupugutan ng characters ko, lalo na England Carmela when she was young.
So, Ms. Aga, do you think na the Filipino audience is ready for the themes that Carmela will explore?
Dapat. Kasi ano naman yun nangyayari yun di ba? We cannot just play safe naman. We that's why medyo okay din ang shows ng GMA, especially with The Husband's Lover and all that. Yung they touch on subjects that are normally taboo, diba? Hindi pinag-uusapan. Na actually nangyayari naman sa harap natin, hindi na naman natin napapag-usapan. So it's nice that or I don't know if people are ready, but hopefully they are because kailangan bigyan ng ibang flavor naman yung napapanood nila, hindi lang yung panay, alam mo yun, family drama. Ito, family drama siya, but yun nga, it's still medyo risque.
And I noticed that you like roles that are a bit off. Like, and congratulations
Ay,
pala for your
salamat.
Best Actress win.
Oo, thank you, thank you.
So, meron pa bang mga ina-aspire na roles ang isang Agot Isidro?
Naku, hindi ko alam naman yun eh. Hindi, di ba? Pag dumarating yung roles, hindi ko naman it just comes eh. You cannot plan it na parang, oh, gusto ko na ito, dream note ko, diba? Kasi hindi ko naman naiisip yon. But if some bright scriptwriter or some storyteller would come up with a good role or a challenging role like that, tapos considers me to play it, ano sa akin yun, parang I'm really up for the challenge. Kaya wala akong masasabi na ito yung dream role ko because I did not know that I would play schizophrenic as a schizophrenic patient. So when it came, actually medyo papaisip ako kasi ang hirap, there's a fine balance how to play it eh. So medyo pinag-isipan ko yung 2 linggo. So binitin ko yung production ng 2 linggo until they say, ano ba, kukunin mo ba? And I said, oh, sige na, all for the challenge. Even when this one was pitched to me, parang Miss Agot medyo may ganyan na. Sabi ko, hindi, okay ako sa ganyan. Don't hold back kung ano man yung naiisip nyo na parang tabu or parang medyo offbeat or medyo challenging or medyo hands-off. Bigay nyo lang. Sabihin ko sa inyo kung kaya ko or ano. So,
Ano pa po yung mga dapat naming abangan sa Carmela?
Yung maraming magagaling na artista dito si Direk Loris, yung mga senior stars, andito rin si Freddy Webb, andito rin yung ganun. I haven't worked with them eh. Direk Loris, I've worked with sa workshops, ganun. But really not as a co-actor. Even si Roy Vinson, yung mga ganun. Hindi, yun. For me, yun ang aabangan ko. Ganun. Siyempre, those are the kalidad actors. And, I would think yung Marian and the Alden tandem, that's something to watch out for. Kasi, weird eh, di ba? You wouldn't think that i-prepare sila sa isa't isa eh. Pero ako na-excited yung parang how they're gonna do it. But I'm sure they'll do a good job. They're very dedicated.